For 2018, the Versa Note SR increases standard intelligent key with push catch begin, a vehicle motor immobilizer and Nissan's easy fill tire alert. These highlights are added to the SV Special Edition bundle, which replaces a year ago's SV Appearance bundle. The SL trim is dropped for this present year, while the S Plus is rebadged just as S. Colossal rearward sitting arrangement, great efficiency with the persistently factor transmission, CVT, appealing styling, low base cost, flexible divide and hide freight zone. What we don't. Directing wheel doesn't telescope, scantily prepared inside on less expensive models, so crash test comes about, with the loss of the SL trim went warmed side mirrors en route. What amount? $16,365 to $20,500. The 2018 Versa Note comes as a 5 entryway hatchback in 3 trims, S, SV, and SR. The S, $16,365, incorporates a CVT programmed transmission, 15-inch steel wheels, wrench windows, manual entryway locks and 4-way manual front seats that need stature alteration, notwithstanding for the driver. Power mirrors, aerating and cooling, Bluetooth and a 4-speaker CD sound framework with an assistant info jack are standard, as are journey control and a dynamic grille shade that supposedly enhances mileage. Power windows and locks are as yet not accessible, notwithstanding. S Plus choices are like those on the base S display. The SV, $17,265, includes control windows and locks, and additionally keyless passage, redesigned inside material, a tallness movable driver's seat with an armrest, Nissan Connect with portable applications and a 5-inch shading show, satellite radio, requires a membership, journey control, a USB/iPod input, a rear view camera, divide and hide stockpiling, a calf skin wrap directing wheel with assistant sound controls, and brilliant inside accents. The SR, $18,865, includes softened cowhide situate complements, variable irregular front wipers, intelligent key with push catch begin, easy fill tire alert, a vehicle motor immobilizer, a backseat armrest with cup holders, SR badging, 16-in aluminum amalgam wheels, a lively grille and front and back belts, dull fog lighting compasses, mist lights and a back spoiler. The SV Special Edition bundle includes intelligent key, push catch begin, 15-in compound wheels, mist lights, and variable wipers. Trunk space in the Versa Note measures a valuable 21.4 cu-foot behind the back seat backs, and that number almost pairs on the off chance that you crease them down. Besides, the accessible divide and hide stockpiling framework includes a hid-load floor compartment with a cover that can be brought or expelled down to encourage genuine pulling assignments. It's a basic yet compelling framework, and we're amazed it took somebody this long to dream it up.